Mojin! Say hello! Hi! So we're at Lala Garden with Faye's family and
You guys want nachos right here, nachos.
Ayan na, we got treated by Kuya Noel and Faye. Because I'm older, so Faye. And there's Michael. She brought us here in this really beautiful cafe, Lala Garden. So pretty. Look, it's really big. Yan. And there's Faye. She's like a tourist guide. She's really good. Oh my god.